Daryl, come look at it now. Come look at it now.
There's one there that was just sewing and Rochelle just took off home.
Look at how bright it is.
Oh.
It's bright now, eh?
Yeah.
Where the hell? What the fuck? Daryl! Daryl! My fucking camera stopped working!
No fucking way, Christy.
It stopped working there for a little while.
That's exactly what always happens.
It's not picking it up anymore. No. Oh, there it is, there it is. What the fuck is that, man? It's like blue, purple, red, and yellow. You're pushing me. Every time you touch me, I bump. And it's even turning green, too.
That's the one I was telling you about in Chimuni. Isn't that when I was off work?
Shut up, sweetie. Well, we're getting it on camera right now.